I mean, you've had a difficult few days. Are you nervous that there's going to be a confidence or no confidence motion in you within the Fianna Fáil Parliamentary Party?
No, I mean, it's always available for people if they wish to do something like that. I'm very clear. I have a mandate from the Irish people. Only 12 months ago we received that in a general election. We're 9 months into government. I'm focusing on the issues that matter. Today also we have an important memo in respect of housing, progress on social and affordable housing, progress overall in the third quarter numbers, which are the highest numbers of new houses built or completed since 2011. So those are the issues I'm focused on. That's what I'm elected to do. And I'm very determined to continue to do that.
Did you hear them out though? You know, some within the party are saying that you're not listening to backbenchers.
That's not fair. I mean, I'm meeting backbenchers the last couple of weeks. I've always engaged with backbenchers, and my door is always open to people if they want to engage and discuss. And over the last number of weeks, again, I've been meeting with quite a number, and we discussed a wide range of issues. They've been very constructive meetings and very constructive engagement. I acknowledge the devastation that people are feeling in respect of the presidential election. Everybody acted in good faith in relation to that. But equally, the general election was a very successful election for Fianna Fáil. The local elections and European elections were very successful results. But more importantly, it's not about the party all of the time. It has to be about the people of this country. It has to be about a relentless focus on the issues that matter to the people. Housing is the key issue. I'm working night and day with my government colleagues to unblock barriers to getting houses built. Likewise in disability, I've prioritised it as Taoiseach. I set up a special disability unit to do that within my own department, and working with other ministers across the board to make life better for people with special needs, children in schools, and access to health services. And we have a lot to do. And I think the people will get impatient if parties focus on their own internal issues to the detriment of the core issues that affect the daily lives of people in this country. Thank you very much indeed.